Okay guys, today I'm down on the back side of the main field that we've been working on. This is the field that was in the most worst shape. The new bush hog is working fantastic. They got a lot of this cleaned up. We also had lots of pine saplings all through here that I used the excavator to dig up, and you can see the pile. That's our burn pile. We also had this big tree that we wanted to down. I got it pushed over with the excavator, and so now my project for today is to get this cut up into small pieces so I can take the grapple on the tractor and we can put it on the burn pile as well. So anyway, time to wrestle with the chainsaw. Let's get busy. Okay guys, let's do a little hyperlapse. You see this tree go away.